of plus and minus. That means this is the plus positive end and this is the negative end. That means the current flows from this end via a resistor and again back to the negative end. Now we'll go to the calculation part. In the batteries, you must have observed a writing is given where you must have observed .5 volt. You must have observed in the battery which you purchase from electrical shop. It is written here 1.5 volt. Okay. In some other batteries it will be written 3.0 volt or even 5 volt, or they come the range of even 9 volts. That means that is the amount of voltage maximum they can supply to the loads. Now, how to know what amount of current will flow in the loads? To study that, we have to assign the values of voltages of the sources and the value of loads, that is of resistors. So in this case, let's say the source is having a voltage of 9.0 volt, okay, and the resistor is having a resistance of is equal to 3 ohm. So now what will be the value of current? How to know the value of current flowing in the resistor? So for that, a theory called Kirchhoff's law one of the Kirchhoff's law says that the voltage in a resistor it is R, meaning load is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Current and obviously the resistance. So the formula V for voltage is equal to I and R. I is the amount of current and R is the amount of resistance. Voltage in volts, equal to I amp into R ohm. Let's take an example. What actually is happening is that if you take a source, just for convenience, not draw the switch and directly draw the load and the source. If the source is having 6 volt and the resistor is a load, that is why sometimes the resistor is written as R and even L. If it is having 2 ohms, ohms is the unit of resistance. Now the current will be, as discussed earlier, V is equal to I into R. So V here is 6 volt. 6 is equal to I into R. R is here 2. Otherwise, or I is equal to V upon R, that is 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 amps. Another Kirchhoff's law says that Kirchhoff's number 2 is saying that it is Kirchhoff's law for voltage. It says the sum of source voltage must be equal to the sum of voltage drops in loads. What is the meaning of this? So let's draw a circuit. Here this is plus end, this is minus. This is plus end, this is minus end. Here you can see there are three loads, R1, R2 and R3. So according to the Kirchhoff's law, sum of voltage, source voltage is equal to the total of or sum of the all voltage drops in loads. That means this V, sum of voltage source is only one, so we put V. V is equal to current. Current here in this case will be same for all the three, because all these three are connected in series. So whatever current is here in R1, same will be in R2 and same will be in R3. So it will be, let's say the current is I. It is I R1, this is the voltage drop in the first resistor, plus I R2, the voltage drop in the second resistor, and plus I R3, so the voltage drop in the third resistor. And by following this equation, I can be taken as common, and R1, R2 and R3 arrange in the bracket. Bring it out. V I R1, R2, R3.